Hey, one of our most requested recipes for women is to help soothe hot flashes.
So we came up with this natural recipe that is cooling and soothing, and even if you don't experience hot flashes, you can give yourself a little spritz to help refresh you.
Let's look at how we can make it.
To make this cooling spray, you'll want this month's recipe box. You're gonna grab our recipe card and labels, and we're going to use the aloe vera in this month's box along with this 1 ounce spray bottle. For our oils, we're going to be using Lady's Choice and Spearmint, which is cooling and soothing.
And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab your GeoGuard to help make the shelf life of this recipe last longer. You'll also need about a 1.5 tablespoon of distilled water.
All right, this recipe is gonna take 2 minutes to make.
You're gonna wanna add a tablespoon of the aloe vera.
And we're going to be adding 1 drop of Lady's Choice Essential Oil Blend and 2 drops of Spearmint, which is cooling and soothing. We're gonna stir that, and in this recipe, the aloe vera is going to be diluting our essential oil. And then we're going to pour it into our spray bottle. Next, we are going to fill it the rest of the way with distilled water. And we'll add our cap and we'll label it. And like this recipe will last up to 6 weeks. It can be shorter than that. If you want to help support the shelf life, we're going to add a preservative. So we are going to be using the new Simply Earth preservative, which is called GeoGuard. And to use this preservative, you're first going to want to test the pH and make sure that it's between 3 and 8. To do that, you'll grab a pH strip, dip it into here, following the instructions on your pH strips, and we'll take it out and we'll make sure the pH is within the proper range to use this preservative, and it is. And we are going to be using 6 drops to help preserve this. Alright, then we're going to add the lid and we're going to shake it up really good to get that preservative mixed in there really well. If you need a quick, natural cool down, check out this recipe.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box, and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button to get all kinds of fun and amazing recipes.
You are going to love how you can use essential oils with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching.
I feel like you're holding it like 2 centimeters from your face.
I know, I don't want to get into my eyeballs.